Hello there, folks. This quick video today is going to show off a RedLion HMI talking to a little drive board we have right here, controlling a little motor that we have right here, for instance. So if you look at the motor here, we've got the black and red wires here connected to some little jumpers which come over to the circuit board, and it looks like we've got, in this case, the black wire is connected to A1 and the red wire is connected to A2 here on this. Right here on this port right here, we have RJ45 jack. Looks like Ethernet, but it's actually Modbus 485 coming out of there. Notice we got a nice little label here, drive board RJ45. Come over to some of my wiring going on here. I basically took a Ethernet cable and split it in half, and I got one end going over here to my G3 HMI, a graphite from RedLion, going to the RJ45 port on here. Look at those blinking LEDs. Who doesn't like blinking LEDs? And so we got a little screen going right here. Let me see if I get the angle correct so you can see it. So if I hit this button right here, which is going to turn on bit 0 of holding register 40,002. So if we hit this, you see it stays on. And if we come over here to the motor, look at it turning clockwise in that mode right there. See it turning clockwise? Come back over here, you can see it's still on. So if I touch this button here to turn it off, it actually stopped. So let me keep the camera on, I'll hit it again, turn it on, so it's slowly moving clockwise. Look at that. If I hit it over here at the HMI, here I go, stops it right now. Okay, so that's that button there. That is firing bit 0 of holding register 40,002. Now this one here is firing bit 0 of 40,004 here. So if I do this one, it's a little different than this one, because all I do here is click it and it kind of quickly latches on and off, as you see here. So you can see it kind of latches on and off. And then over here, it's actually now turning counterclockwise in this case when that bit is on. Now to get that guy to stop, I can do a couple options. I can fire the counterclockwise right here one time, which will get it to stop in its tracks right there. Let me turn it off. So if I turn this guy off, listen. Go back over here, it'll start turning counterclockwise again. So see how it's turning counterclockwise? If I hit that button again, here we go. You see it stops right there. So I can control it there. Notice that's the counterclockwise bit, I call it here. If I turn it off, nothing's on right now. And you can see the thing starts resuming in the counterclockwise position. Now I've also added another bit here, which is going to be bit 1 of 40,001, bit 1, not bit 0, but bit 1. That's what this one here fires. So if I hit this button, I call it the change direction, because you can see on this guy, when I click it, you see the bit kind of changes. The unit stops. So when that's set up, if I hit the clockwise now, it resumes doing counterclockwise just like before. If I hit the, clockwise. So if I hit the counterclockwise, it automatically starts going clockwise. And I can only get it to stop either from this guy, which causes it to stop. I let that guy up, it continues doing counterclockwise. Or if I hit the direction one here, look at that. Just hitting the direction automatically starts to change it the other way here. Perfect. Anyway, that's just a quick little demo. Here I am communicating to a G09 HMI, and then what I'm going to do here, I'm going to disconnect the cable out of here, which is the RS45 cable. I'll disconnect it out of here, so hold on here guys, one-handed. And then I've also got, what they're going to use in this project is the G304K2 Cadet HMI. And we got a little cable here that somebody has made. We'll grab this guy, we'll plug it in here. Maybe. Hold on here, T. I'll set you down for a second. Alright. Plug it back in here on this guy. And now, if I hold this button down right here, I can see that it's going in reverse direction, as you see here. If I let my finger up, it stops. And then if I push the other button, this button right here, you'll see that it goes counterclockwise, clockwise. And then when I let my finger up, it should stop. Boom, stops there. If I hold the left button down, right here, this one right here, there you go. You know what we do here? We do this. Hold on here. Bring this here. got a little closer. If I come a little closer here. There we go. Now you can kind of see it. Now if I do this here, well, heck, we'll do it. Pretty sweet. And if I let my finger up there, it stops. And if I hit this one, I double hit it, but oh well. I got that one set up a little slower, but and if I let my finger up, boom, there you go. Anyway, thanks a lot. Have a great